Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 5th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures. If we see low risk opportunities, if we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close in a narrow range. So our plan of action is to wait for the volatility to calm down and the price have a deeper pullback and retest support levels, and when the buyers come back or pass this resistance level and the trend is very strong, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and as you see, the pullback was deeper and reached the previous level of support, and it seems that the buyers are coming back. So I'm taking long position repeatedly with setup B first on all three E-minis, and then set limit orders to enter with setup C now. And some of these orders were filled and was closed by ATM or manually with profit. So now that the price is trying to break this level, we will see uptrend in the smaller time frame. So in this 1-minute chart, you will see only pullbacks. So we're moving from setup C to T, and we see the uptrend channel now. So we're taking long positions repeatedly in the lower area of the channel and close it in the middle and higher area of the channels for quick profit. So we already closed multiple positions. Now that the price reached resistance level on Nasdaq, I just took some sell short position for a quick scalp and close it with profit. Now that the buyers are coming back, I'm taking long position now cautiously because this level needs to be broken. I took another sell short position on Nasdaq at this resistance level with setup B. Now we have a good pullback for setup T, so I took some position on Nasdaq, but it didn't go up quickly, and it seems the sellers are coming back based on order flow, so I close it with break even. Now I'm taking long position in a deeper pullback and close it in the upper area with profit. And then the Dow Jones retested the previous day close, and since it got rejected before, it's a good area to enter with setup B, which I entered and close it with profit. Now let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, we are positive with profit factor of 20, which is coming from 84% win rate, 81% from 11 long positions taken, and 100% for 2 sell short position. And also the average win to loss ratio, which was 3.64. The largest winning trade was 200, and the largest losing trade was $39. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.